Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travel. Today we are in Rome, staying at the Central Rome Guest House in the Sofia room. Again, they use keys. We've already entered the room, so it's unlocked. And this is a spectacular looking room. The AC is nice and strong. The AC is nice and strong. You have plugs on this side of the table, as well as the others, and an added bonus of the USB. Your closet. Storage to unpack. You've got a fridge and a kettle. For some tea, and then the washroom. Let's take a look. How do I turn the lights on? They're outside the room here. There you go. So you got your toilet and bidet, your mirror, and handheld shower, and you even have a sitting area. As for some amenities, I can see there's some soaps in there. Got some makeup pads, hair dryer. And if we swing over here, the breakfast is served in the room. We can take a look at their view of a courtyard. 6 stories down. Oops. There we go. But you do get some sunlight. And that's about it. Thank you for watching this quick room tour of the Sofia room at the Roma Central Guest House. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and